Here's a delicious recipe for pork medallions with balsamic vinegar and capers. Ingredients: 4 pork tenderloin medallions, about 1 inch thick. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar. 2 tablespoons capers, drained. 1/4 cup chicken or vegetable broth. 2 tablespoons butter. Fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Instructions: season the pork medallions generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the pork medallions to the skillet. Cook the pork for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Cooking time may vary based on the thickness of the medallions. Remove the cooked pork from the skillet and transfer it to a plate. Cover loosely with foil to keep warm. In the same skillet, add minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in the balsamic vinegar and stir, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the skillet. Add the capers and chicken or vegetable broth to the skillet. Allow the mixture to simmer for a few minutes until it reduces slightly. Stir in the butter and continue cooking until the sauce thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Return the pork medallions and any juices accumulated on the plate back to the skillet. Coat the pork with the balsamic caper sauce. Cook for an additional minute or 2, turning the pork to coat evenly with the sauce. Once done, remove the skillet from heat. Plate the pork medallions with balsamic vinegar and capers, spooning the sauce over the top. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley. This dish offers a delightful balance of flavors with the tanginess of balsamic vinegar and the briny essence of capers complementing the tender and juicy pork medallions. Serve it with your favorite sides like roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a fresh salad for a satisfying meal.